Hello, viewers. I greet you all. Good evening. Welcome to my life. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to my subscribers, those that have been subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, those that have been watching my videos. I appreciate you. It's not easy. It's not easy to do that. You know one thing, to create content is not easy. When you see somebody sit down to create something or to act, to post, to shoot videos, it's not easy. That's why most times when you react, somebody like me that is grateful will always tell you thank you. I appreciate. I appreciate your contributions, your likes, everything you do on my channel. I appreciate you. You know, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. It's not easy to be supporting someone. So I appreciate you. I do. I appreciate you so much. And the reason I am live is for you to see my face. You can see me. Don't mind my wig, oh. Don't mind my clothes, oh. I just decided to dress like this. You know, I just decided to dress like this. So I am here to appreciate each and every one of you that supports me. I said thank you. So please, I want to plead with you, please. Always watch my videos and please give me a like. If you watch my video, comment, drop a comment. Even if you're on this live, you can drop a chat. Okay, you can drop a chat and tell me well done. You know, I need your, I always need your support to grow. I cannot do it without you. After God, the next person is you. You that is supporting me is the next person. So I am happy that I have people that at least when I post my videos, they watch it and it's very okay. I'm very, very okay with it. Very, very okay. So God bless you. God bless you so much. I appreciate. So tonight I want to talk about um this my YouTube. I do a lot of things here. I try as much as possible to see what I can do. If I cover events, you can see me cover events and I will post it on my channel. So in case you see my skits and along the line you see maybe a birthday party, church or whatever, just accept them. I do anything that, but just so far it's content I cover. I like keeping videos. Like, I don't like deleting videos. You know, when you keep videos in your phone or in your gadget, before you know it, your space will get filled up and the phone will start being slow. So instead of me to delete them off, I post them on my YouTube so that any day I come, I'll watch it on my YouTube. So my YouTube is a place I keep my videos, my content, and I appreciate you for watching. So thank you so much. I just feel like clarifying that part, in case if you are seeing any other video that is not my skit, do not lose that that vibe you used to subscribe to this channel. So anytime you see my video, or maybe you see my video, my content that is not my skit, just accept it. Okay, so this is me. I thank you. Don't mind my dressing, don't mind my wig, just don't mind. This is just, it's just for the content, you know. But I think I like this wig. I like this wig. It's very fine. It's very, very fine. So thank you. Thanks for watching. God bless you.